In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our PTZ controller. This is a network-based PTZ controller. As you can see on the back, it has a network port and the USB. This tutorial covers how to use the USB connection on it with your Windows PC and our Smart PSS software. So the first thing we do is power the PTZ controller. I'm going to have my assistant plug in the power. It comes with a 12-volt DC connector, and let me show you where we're connecting it. Right in that connection right there, you connect that. And let the PTZ first boot up. Don't do anything until it boots up. So once it boots up, we're gonna go on and connect it to our computer. I'm waiting for the admin screen. As you note that there is a password label on the top that tells you how to log into the PTZ controller. Once the PTZ controller is fully booted up, it'll display a date and time, just like so. We don't care about whether it has the correct date or time or not. Although this is AM, it's saying it's PM. It doesn't really matter for what we're doing here. Now I'm going to take this USB controller, USB cable, and plug it into my USB port. My trusty little old computer case here has a USB connection. As soon as I plugged it in, it made a little sound on my Windows operating system that it recognized the input-output. Once I did that, guess what happens? The screen on the PTZ controller automatically changes to user. I want you to log in using the admin user. Now, using the joystick, flip down once. Make sure you're still on the admin user. If you did what I do, I just move things around all the time, it's going to mess up what you're seeing. So for that, what you want to do is make sure you use the joystick here to bring it back to admin. Then press it down. Now type in the password. Password is 6/8. Please don't change this password. It just makes life more difficult for everybody to use the controller. Once you've got that, hit the enter key to log in. Now you're logged in. Now if you're like me, I just like to move things around everywhere, and this changes what you're doing. So move this to the left or right until you see view. Once you're there, hit enter. Make sure you're doing that. If you don't do that, your PTZ is not going to move when you use your controller. Now I'm looking at my camera. I'm moving the joystick, and the PTZ is moving. If you don't believe me, watch me. Here, I'm moving this joystick to the left, it moves left. Now I'm going to use the 3D rotation on this to zoom in and out. You can actually toggle the top of this joystick to zoom in and out. This is called 3D targeting on the joystick. So you can quickly zoom out. This is a 4X PTZ, so you can't really zoom too much. I have the PTZ upside down so you don't know who I am. But here, now you've got the PTZ control working. It's easy as that. So if you have a PTZ joystick controller, the PT500 connected to your Windows, these are the steps you need to carry out to make sure that you can properly use it. If you don't follow these steps carefully, your PTZ controller won't work with your computer. Make sure you follow these steps carefully. Thanks for watching.